Feeling low confident? I have something to show you.
So I was looking for my next book and Instagram पे एक बहुत अच्छा recommendation जो कि मुझे बहुत बार मिला and the book is Becoming Supernatural from Dr. Joe Dispenza. So ये लो कॉन्फिडेंस से कैसे रिलेटेड है? So मेरी एक हैबिट है कि whenever I kick start any book, I have a habit to read every page from the very starting, be it thank you note, be it pretext or introduction. So I was reading the introduction of this book, and I have to mention that this is one of the very top renowned author and one of the top selling book as well. That's why it was in a major recommendation in the Instagram dashboards, and that's why I also bought and just reading the same. So in the introduction the writer has mentioned he was very extremely afraid to tell whatever the practices he was doing. He was like all the people in the world or the upcoming gentries, may see him as fool. He was such low confident. और फिर उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम है अपने सारे थॉट्स को, अपने सारे प्रैक्टिसेस को शोकेस करने में इस दुनिया को, क्योंकि उनको लग रहा है कि लोग उन्हें कहीं पागल ना समझ लें कि जो भी वो बता रहे हैं वो साइंस के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा। साइंस हमें कुछ और एंगल देती है अपनी हीलिंग जर्नी को या जिस भी पर्सपेक्टिव पे वो काम कर रहे हैं उसको देखने के लिए। सो ही वाज सो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, he wasn't able to put his achievements, his practices in the form of book or simply to the people's eyeballs. And then one day what happens, he was in a ceremony in London and one of the lady was just telling her story how she got cured from his mental and physical problems through the practices the author has done. And that was the high time जब author को एक realization होती है कि जो उनका अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट है कि whatever he is pursuing might not be very skilled and might not be very profounding to tell the world. However, if the single entity can get benefited from his achievement, this is why we are here, this is why we are doing our stuff. And this is the realization point for the author, that he should pursue for his book and tell the world regardless of the doubts or the fear the person hold, because I think there is no scale to measure anyone's achievement. अगर आप सिंगल पार्टिकल को भी रिचार्ज या इंस्पायर कर पा रहे हो कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए, आप अपने पर्पस को मीट कर रहे हो। So the purpose of making this video just to tell if you are also holding you back from achieving your goals, your action plans, and just having some self doubt, पता नहीं ये कैसे वर्कआउट करेगा, पता नहीं ये हेल्पफुल होगा किसी के लिए या नहीं, स्पेशली अगर आप पब्लिक सेक्टर में or anything that has to do with the people. I think this video is a great inspiration from you, and I just keep coming with my founding that will amaze me in this book. अभी तो इंट्रोडक्शन ने ही बहुत अमेज कर दिया है, so I'll just keep coming and showing up with the best thing I'll be having from this book. So I hope we all become super confident to let our spark be ignited, tell our story just to help people. And it's not about helping people, just to put our grace in our time of this human incarnation. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. So thank you.